22nd annual Run to the Sun Classic Car and Truck Show. We've been doing this for 22 years, and it's just kind of a show and shine type car show where people bring cars 1989 and older, bring them in and show them, you know, put them out on display, show them for the people, and let people come in and look at them and just enjoy them.
There's more nice cars here at this show than any show I've ever been. I've never had a chance to come down to this show, and it's really just turned out great. Beautiful show, nice location.
We go to them all year round for many, many years. This is one of the best right here.